Hello everyone, my adlaw. So for today's episode, we are diving into a very meaningful topic, success. But instead of defining it in just one way, we decided to explore it from different perspectives. So we interviewed 5 inspiring individuals who have each achieved success in their own unique way. From having a favorable income to building a professional pride, nurturing strong parenting skills, finding absolute peace, and becoming a true role model in their community. Join us as we listen to their stories, insights, and life lessons. Because success isn't one size fits all. Let us discover what it really means to succeed.
Yeah, with regards to that one, I would say that I'm on the path to success. I already achieved the meaningful milestones, and as such, completing my degree, and as well as becoming a registered chemical technician. And I've gained value through both academics and professional environments. And also, these accomplishments refine my dedication, discipline, as well as my willingness to grow.
Okay, that is a very well spoken answer. And by the way, congratulations on passing and achieving a milestone in life. As for Mr. Mark PG Pakatang, would you consider yourself successful in terms of achieving absolute peace?
Yes, for me, because, success isn't just about money, it's about your growth, your peace, and of course, your progress. So, yeah, I consider myself as a success when it comes to that. Because, having peace in mind is one of the chapters for you to keep in yourself because, of course, so ayun lang, kasi ngayon, kapag naon natin kasi ngayon, alam mo naman na mahirap talaga achieve yung peace sa life because of, some may factor din sa social media, mga norms, alam mo yun, yung mga ganun.
Para sa kuha, nga katangutana, ang word nga successful para sa kuha kay dili man na siya makita sa mga butang na anato or sa pinaghanon sa kong kwarta. Para sa kuha, successful, makita na ako tayo na akong pamilya, makatulungan na sa mga kinahan, sa mga kailangan. Kaya sa karon nga panahon, importante kaya ang kwarta yun. So mauna ako, makita na ako ang pamilya na malipayon,
So, sasagot ko sa iyong katanungan is oo dahil what I see in myself is masasabi ko na isa akong successful person, not just in financial stable but also makikita ko kasi sa sarili ko na yung mga maliit na bagay is na-achieve ko sa ganitong edad, na na-achieve ko yung mga bagay-bagay na kung titingnan natin ay mahirap abutin sa isang tulad ko lamang. So, at matatawag ko din na isa akong successful dahil nagagampanan ko yung mga bagay na gusto ko ning mabot sa aking sarili. Hindi nga diretsuhan, ngunit nakakamit ko yun lahat. Kaya yun ang masasagot ko na matatawag ko ang aking sarili bilang isang successful person.
Kaya ako, nagmalampos ko sa pag-alaga na ko sa akong anak na kabuok, wa man ako masugda ay bisag pobre ko pero di man gyud ako sila wa di na sila nako katilaw og kasaba og bisag unsay mag istorya ko wala yun wa yun hasa sa akong mga apo wa man jud ko katilaw og kusi sa akong mga apo mahal gid ako ay akong pamilya oy. Ang manampusong ginikanan o unsay mga plano sa ilang mga anak nga ako aduha man akong anak ako rin yung suportahan sila bisag wa ko'y kwarta suportahan ako sa pag kuan sa ila pag asikaso sa ilang mga plano o unsay ilang mga plano mao ra gid na kay pobre man gud po.
So for me, as a successful person is yung marunong makontento and also merong hinahanda para sa kanyang future. Kumbaga ang gusto kong ibig sabihin ay yung meron siyang nagsiset siya ng time sa kanyang sarili upang makamit yung mga bagay na gusto niya. At also the best is meron tayong patience dahil hindi natin makakamit ang pagiging successful kung wala po yan.
Well, I think success, I actually don't see it as a fixed endpoint. For me, it is a continuous process of learning, of course, improving, and setting new goals. And I'm still working on developing my career or my skills, especially expanding my knowledge and building a stable career. And I believe success is not just about you achieve, it's also about your mindset, your ability to adapt, of course, your commitment to becoming better over time. And so I am very proud of how far I have become, and I remain motivated to keep progressing and achieving even more. Even more in the future. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I agree with you. Success is not just something that we can kuan lang jud, no? How about you, Mr. Mark Fiji? What is success for you?
As I said, success is about nothing. It's about growth, peace, and progress. And of course, naman, success is, being stable, happy, and improving while reaching your goals without losing yourself. That's the best thing. Kasi when you are trying with your goals to achieve something, of course, you also secure yourself na hindi ka mag-lose on track. Kasi, di ba, ngayon, minsan kasi, not generally pero yung na-observe ko kasi yung mga nakikita ko lang, people try to achieve their goals and of course start na-achieve naman nila yung goals na dyan na sila nagiging parang sa boastful, nalulose on track kasi sila parang goal na lang parang hindi ka makakaapak ng mga ng tao like ganyan so whatsoever commitment.
Successful nga tao ako sa atong time nga wala pa yung mga kabtangan, wala pa ko'y business. Ang paglantaw na ko sa successful na tao kay na siya ma-provide siyang family, na siya i-provide siyang kagalingon, na siya matawag na ilahang balay, ako ang balay, kagalingong yuta, and naay sa gani dili pud ka po sa financial makapa-eskwela. Ang ako lang ma-advise niyo ba bata maka-eskwela po man karon no. Ipadayon na imong pag-eskwela. Pundar kag puhunan. Lahir na mga good time na managlaan, na party, na inom. Ako nang inom, pwede lang inom. Occasionally, yun. Ayaw gasto wa imong kwarta kung dili nimo kailangan. Mugasto ra ka kanang kailangan na gyud nimo. Alitan na kay gusto itukod na business, alang agunawan nimo ang good time ana. Mag-safety gyud kwarta gyud. Bali mao na ang imuhang puhunan. Kaya human maka-eskwela gyud og magpadayon kag business.
Ang bantang mga kinikanan o may problema ilang mga anak, dili nila din yung kasaban ilang anak siyan ang may ginikanan mo suporta lang gid sa iyang mga anak, dili kay ang naubang ko mga ginikanan kasaban dahil na ilang anak, pero ako wa jud ko magkasaba sa kong anak, suportahan ra gid ako sila ug unsay ilang gusto.
For me, the tips that I can give is yung pagiging ma-patient sa ating sarili, and also kailangan natin i-appreciate yung mga bagay-bagay na kahit maliit man ito, ngunit ito yung nagiging daan upang makamit natin yung pagiging successful. And also the second tip is also with a prayer. And the third is hard work. And my final tips is also our confidence, because hindi natin ito makakamit lahat kapag wala tayo niyan, kasi yan yung yan yung nagiging daanan natin upang lakasan natin ating loob na makamit ang ating mga pangarap.
Well, for me, I think the first discard tip that I could give is actually always have a clear goal, especially the short term and the long term. Because discard without a direction is just let's say a random effort. Okay, you know what you want, you should align your actions with it, of course. And next one is communicate confidently, because I think it's better for you to sell yourself properly. Do not undersell yourself, because no one will ever listen to you if you don't have any confidence. You're stuttering whenever you talk to people, right? Especially in interviews, it really matters. And also, I think the last will be consistent and disciplined. Because discard is not just shortcuts, it's about showing up every day, and it's even when it's hard, you should show up, of course.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Mark James. I will really take notes sa muhang mga tips. How about you, Mr. Mark Fiji?
Discard for me, some tips, of course naman. I agree to Mark of discard is, like, show up when you're lazy, do it scared, do it happy, ganyan, disiplina, ay mo pagalingon. Kapag mo pagalingon, ikaw rin, yes, you are. And of course, strategize. Of course, mag-strategize ka. Work hard, work smart. Yeah? And of course naman, time management talaga, guys. That's really one of the important, time management. No procrastination, kasi wala ka talagang maabot dyan kung ganyan-ganyan ka lang. Alam mo, you know what I mean?
Yes.
And of course, effort. Give your best.
Yes,
The full big. Basta yun, your best effort. You always give your best effort. Kasi, I always believe naman na when you are trying to achieve your goal, if you really do your best, when you fail kasi, parang yung I have this kind of principle kasi sa life ko na, like for example, nag-take ako na exam. Gusto ko mag-study talaga ako, ganyan, i-give ko talaga yung best ko, para naman, if ever na mamagsak ko, of course, I'm an accountancy student, mostly kasi pag nai-exam kami, 85%, not 50% yung passing rate kami. I'll really give my very best, kasi, alam mo yun, kung parang, pag nakita mo yung score mo sa exam, ganyan, when you feel parang walang regret sa sarili mo pa na wala akong regret sa ganito kasi binigay ko yung best ko, diba? Maybe it's not the right time, or maybe nagkulang lang siguro ako sa paghanap ng mga sources, ganyan. Pero I really did my best, man. So, no matter what happened, Just accept the fact. Yes, you are.
And also additional to the failure, I think it would be better if you always learn from your failures. Because instead of asking why me, why did it happen, where can I improve, then adjust. I think it would be better for you to adjust and then move forward. Because if you always think about the things that you have failed, you will not get what you want, and also you will not get what you deserve.
Yes. Totoo.
Additionally, of course, naman, knowledge. Keep learning.
Oo.
And your attitude. Dapat meron yung attitude dyan eh. Kasi naman, paano naman yung mga learnings, mga ganyan, kung wala kang attitude, diba, yung characteristic mo. Stay positive,
Yes. So that would be all for the online interview. Thank you very much for entertaining my questions and answering and giving us very valuable insights, tips, and knowledge, no? So I hope in the near future maka-interview ko ninyo balik, and goodbye.
I just had to let you know you're